Take action. Those two words hold the power to change your life. Every day you face a choice to move forward or to stand still. The difference between success and failure, between a life of achievement and a life of regret, often comes down to this simple decision. Will you take action today? Think about the goals you've set for yourself, the dreams you hold dear, the person you want to become. Now ask yourself, what have you done today to bring those aspirations closer to reality? Have you taken even one small step in the right direction? Too often we let fear hold us back. We tell ourselves we're not ready, that the time isn't right, that we need to wait for perfect conditions. But here's the truth. There's never a perfect time. The only time that matters is now, in this very moment, and in this moment you have the power to act. Consider the most successful people you know or admire. What sets them apart isn't necessarily talent or intelligence. It's their willingness to take action day after day, even when they don't feel like it. Especially when they don't feel like it, they've learned a crucial secret. Action breeds motivation, not the other way. You see, motivation isn't something that magically appears. It's not a lightning bolt from the sky that suddenly energizes you to pursue your dreams. No, motivation is the result of action. When you force yourself to take that first step, no matter how small, you create momentum. And that momentum, that sense of progress, fuels your motivation to keep going. Think about the last time you procrastinated on an important task. Remember how daunting it seemed before you started? But once you finally began, once you took that first step, didn't it become easier? Didn't you find yourself wondering why you waited so long to get started? That's the power of action. It dispels fear. It builds confidence. It creates clarity. When you're in motion, problems that seemed insurmountable suddenly become manageable. Solutions present themselves that you couldn't see before. You gain new perspectives, new insights, new opportunities. But here's the catch. This power is only available to those who act, those who wait for inspiration, for the perfect moment, for all the stars to align. They're left behind. They become spectators in their own lives, watching as others achieve the very things they've only dreamed about. Don't let that be you. Don't be content to sit on the sidelines of your own life. You have greatness within you. You have talents and abilities that the world needs. But those gifts will remain dormant unless you choose to act. Now, I'm not saying it's easy. Taking action, especially when you're faced with uncertainty or fear, can be incredibly challenging. Your mind will come up with 1,000 reasons why you should wait, why you should play it safe. It will try to convince you that inaction is the wise choice. But ask yourself, a year from now, what will you regret more? Taking action and possibly failing, or never having tried at all? The pain of failure is temporary. The pain of regret can last a lifetime. So how do you build this habit of taking action? How do you overcome the inertia that keeps you stuck? It starts with small steps. You don't need to revolutionize your entire life overnight. Begin with one action, one task, one goal. Maybe it's making that phone call you've been putting off. Maybe it's spending 15 minutes working on that business plan you've been dreaming about. Maybe it's going for a run when you'd rather stay on the couch. Whatever it is, commit to doing it today, not tomorrow, not when you feel more motivated. Today, and here's the key. Do it even if you don't feel like it, especially if you don't feel like it, because that's when it matters most. That's when you're building true strength of character. That's when you're developing the habits that will carry you to success. Remember, success isn't about grand, sweeping gestures. It's about consistent, daily action. It's about showing up day after day and putting in the work. It's about forcing yourself to take those steps, even when every fiber of your being wants to stay comfortable. Think about water dripping on a rock. One drop doesn't make much difference, but over time, with consistent action, that water can carve through solid stone. That's the power of daily action. It may not seem like much in the moment, but over time, it can. So ask yourself, what's your rock? What's the obstacle standing between you and your dreams? And more importantly, what action can you take today to start wearing it down? Maybe your dream of starting your own business. The idea of building something from scratch seems overwhelming. But what if, instead of focusing on the end goal, you committed to taking one small action each day? Maybe today it's researching your market. Tomorrow it's outlining your business plan. The day after, it's reaching out to a potential mentor. None of these actions alone will build your business, but together over time, they create unstoppable momentum. They turn your dream from a vague idea into a tangible reality. Or perhaps you want to improve your health. The thought of completely overhauling your lifestyle is daunting. But what if you committed to one healthy choice each day? Today, it's drinking an extra glass of water. Tomorrow, it's taking a 10-minute walk. The next day, it's choosing a salad instead of fast food for lunch. Again, no single action will transform your health overnight, but consistently making these choices day after day will lead to profound changes over time. The key is to focus on progress, not perfection. Too often, we let our desire for perfect results paralyze us into inaction. We think if we can't do something flawlessly, it's not worth doing at all. But that's a recipe for stagnation. Instead, embrace imperfect action. Understand that any step forward, no matter how small or imperfect, is infinitely better than no action at all. Because here's the truth. You'll never have perfect information. You'll never feel completely ready. There will always be reasons to wait, to hesitate, to put things off until tomorrow. But tomorrow never comes. The only time you can act is now, and the best time to start is always today. Think about all the things in your life you've been putting off, the goals you've been postponing, the dreams you've been deferring. What if you decided right now to take one action toward each of them? What might your life look like a year from now if you committed to this daily practice of action? Imagine waking up each morning with a sense of purpose and direction. Imagine the confidence that comes from knowing you're actively working towards your goals, not just passively hoping for them. Imagine the satisfaction of looking back on your day and seeing tangible progress, no matter how small. This is the life that's available to you when you commit to taking daily action. It's a life of growth, of achievement, of constant forward momentum. It's a life where you're in control, where you're actively shaping your destiny rather than simply reacting to circumstances. But it all starts with a decision. A decision to break free from the inertia of inaction. A decision to push past your comfort zone. A decision to embrace the discomfort of growth rather than the comfort of stagnation. And here's the beautiful thing. This decision is available to you right now. In this very moment, you don't need anyone's permission. You don't need to wait for the perfect circumstances. You just need to decide that from this moment forward, you're going to be a person of action. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking, but what if I fail? What if I take action and things don't work out the way I hoped? And to that I say, good. Fail. Fail often. Fail quickly, because failure is not the opposite of success. It's a crucial part of success. Every failure teaches you something. Every setback provides valuable information. Every mistake gets you one step closer to figuring out what works. The only true failure is the failure to act, the failure to try. Think about a child learning to walk. They fall dozens, maybe hundreds of times, but do we call those falls failures? Of course not. We recognize them as a necessary part of the learning process. We encourage the child to get back up, to try again, to keep moving forward. Yet somewhere along the way, many of us lose that resilience. We become so afraid of falling that we stop trying to walk altogether. We let our fear of failure keep us stuck, keep us small, keep us from reaching our full potential. But what if you reclaim that childlike resilience? What if you decided to view your failures not as evidence of your inadequacy, but as proof of your courage? What if you wore your failures as badges of honor, as testaments to your willingness to take action, to put yourself out there, to strive for something better? Because here's the trustful people in any field are often those who have failed the most. They're the ones who have taken the most action, who have been willing to try and fail and try again. They understand that each failure brings them one step closer to success. So embrace failure, seek it out. Because the more you fail, the more you learn, the better you become. And the better you become, the closer you get to achieving your goals. But remember, you can't fail if you don't try. You can't learn if you don't act. The worst failure of all is the failure to take action in the first place. Now, I want you to think about something for a moment. Imagine yourself a year from now, 2 years, 5 years. Where do you want to be? What do you want to achieve? Who do you want to have become? You have that image in your mind? Good. Now ask yourself, if you continue on your current path, taking the same actions or lack of actions you're taking now, will you reach that future self? Will you become that person you aspire to be? If the answer is no, then something needs to change. And that change starts with your daily actions. It starts with the choices you make today, tomorrow, and every day after that. You see, your future self is created by your present actions. Every choice you make, every action you take or don't take, is shaping the person you'll become. You're either moving towards your goals or away from them. There's no standing still in life. So if you want a different future, you need to take different actions today. It's as simple and as challenging as that. But here's the good news. You have the power to make that change. Right now, in this very moment, you have the ability to decide that from this point forward, you're going to be a person of action, a person who doesn't wait for motivation, but creates it through consistent effort. A person who doesn't let fear or doubt hold them back, but uses those emotions as fuel to push forward. Well, imagine the sense of pride and accomplishment you'll feel when you look back on this moment as the turning point, the moment when you decided to stop waiting and start acting. The moment when you chose to take control of your life and start moving purposefully towards your goals. A future is available to you, but it won't come to you. You have to go out and create it. And that creation happens through daily action. So what action will you take today? What step, no matter how small, will you take towards your goals? Maybe it's updating your resume. Maybe it's researching a new skill you want to learn. Maybe it's having that difficult conversation you've been putting off. Whatever it is, commit to doing it today. And then tomorrow, take another action. The next day, another. Build this habit of daily action and watch as your life begins to transform. Remember, extraordinary lives are built through ordinary, everyday actions. It's not about making huge leaps, though those can certainly help. It's about consistent, persistent effort over time. It's about showing up every day, putting in the work, and slowly but surely moving towards your goals. Now, I know this isn't easy. Taking action, especially when you're feeling unmotivated or overwhelmed, can be incredibly challenging. But that's precisely why it's so powerful. Because when you push through that resistance, when you take action despite your doubts and fears, you're building more than just progress towards your goals. You're building character. You're building resilience. You're building the kind of inner strength that will serve you in all areas of your life. Think about the last time you pushed yourself to do something difficult. Maybe it was finishing a tough project at work, or sticking to a challenging workout routine, or having a difficult but necessary conversation. Well, remember how you felt afterwards, that sense of accomplishment, of pride in yourself for following through. That feeling is available to you every single day if you're willing to take action. And here's something else to consider. Taking action doesn't just benefit you. It has a ripple effect that touches everyone around you. When you start living with purpose, when you start actively pursuing your goals and dreams, you inspire others to do the same. You become a living example of what's possible when someone decides to take control of their life. Think about the people in your life, your family, your friends, your colleagues. How might your commitment to taking daily action inspire them? How might your example encourage them to pursue their own dreams, to push past their own limitations? You see, by taking action in your own life, you're not just changing your future. You're potentially changing the futures of everyone you interact with. You're contributing to a culture of action, of growth, of continuous improvement. And that's a powerful legacy to leave. But it all starts with you. It starts with your decision in this moment to be a person of action, to be someone who doesn't just talk about their dreams, but actively works to make them a reality. To be someone who understands that the path to success is paved with daily actions, not grand gestures or lucky breaks. So I challenge you. So start today, right now. Choose one action, no matter how small, that will move you closer to your goals, and then do it. Don't wait for motivation. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Just take that first step. And then tomorrow, take another step. And the next day, another. Build this habit of daily action and watch as your life begins to transform. Watch as you become the person you've always known you could be. Remember, the distance between who you are and who you want to be is crossed by your actions. Not your intentions, not your hopes, not your dreams, your actions. So take action today. Force yourself to move forward even when it's difficult, especially when it's difficult, because that's where growth happens. That's where change occurs. That's where you become the person you're meant to be. You have greatness within you. You have the power to create an extraordinary life, but that power is activated through action. It's unlocked when you decide to stop waiting and start doing, when you commit to taking those daily steps, no matter how small, towards your goals. So what will you do today? What action will you take to move closer to your dreams? The choice is yours, and it's a choice you get to make every single day. Don't let another day pass without taking action. Don't let another opportunity slip by because you were waiting for the perfect moment. The perfect moment is now. The perfect time to act is today. Your future self is counting on you. The person you want to become is waiting for you to take those first steps. So take them. Take them today, take them tomorrow, take them every day. Build the habit of action and watch as it transforms not just your circumstances, but your very character. You are capable of so much more than you realize. You have potential within you that's just waiting to be unlocked. And the key to unlocking that potential is action. Daily, consistent, persistent action. So go forth and act. Take those steps, no matter how small. Push past your comfort zone. Embrace the discomfort of growth. Because on the other side of that discomfort is the life you've always dreamed of. Remember, success is not about having no fear. It's about taking action despite that fear. It's about moving forward even when you're not sure of the outcome. It's about trusting in your ability to figure things out as you go. You don't need to have all the answers before you start. You don't need to see the entire path before you take the first step. You just need to have the courage to begin and the persistence to keep going. Every great achievement in human history started with a single action. Every successful person you admire began their journey with one step, and your journey towards your goals, your dreams, your ideal life. It all starts with the actions you choose to take today. So choose wisely, choose courageously. Choose to be a person of action, choose to be someone who doesn't just dream about a better future, but actively works to create it. Choose to be someone who understands that the path to success is paved with daily actions, not occasional bursts of motivation. Your life is a canvas and your actions are the brushstrokes. Each day you have the opportunity to add to this masterpiece, to create something beautiful, something meaningful, something that reflects your true potential. But that canvas remains blank until you pick up the brush. Until you take action, until you decide that today is the day you start turning your dreams into reality.